Hello, in this video I will show you how to buy items from Temu and sell on Amazon. Now, it is an extremely easy process, so what you have to do is just open your browser and open Temu and Amazon. Now, the first and the most important thing that you have to do is you have to create an account on Amazon Associate. So just simply open this website over here, just simply type Amazon Associate and you will be redirected to this page over here. Create an account. As you can see, my account is already created because only after creating an Amazon Associate account, you can begin to sell products. And while you're creating your Amazon Associate account, make sure that you also create an Amazon Seller Central account as well. In order to create the central account, all you have to do is just simply log into this particular website with your Amazon account and complete the process by adding your GST number, verifying your tax details, add your store name and shipping details and your bank details. Once you will do that, you can start selling your own products. Now, there is one way how you can try to sell products from Temu on Amazon without even having an inventory, and it will be kind of a drop shipping. So what you have to do is you have to choose the product that you want to sell. Like say for example this water gun over here. Now, once the product is opened, what you have to do is you have to extract all the images and videos from this particular product, and the images you can find it right over here as you can see. And also copy the details of the product, the title, the discounts, the description, and all the important details. Just simply copy all the data to a notepad or somewhere to keep it safe because you will be needing that. So in order to get the images, you can just simply save the images like this. Click on save image as, then click on desktop to save the image. Once the image is saved, just simply open the image as it is not in JPEG. So the first thing that you have to do is click on this option and click on save as, and in the save as type, choose JPEG and save the images because only JPEG and PNG are allowed on Amazon. So do this process and get all the videos and the images as well. And then go back to Amazon and list the product on Amazon and enter a certain amount of stock. You can use the same stock amount right over here. It's totally up to you. Now, the main thing that you have to do is you have to manually place order for your product. Whenever your product will be ordered from your Amazon account, what you have to do, you have to manually go to Temu, place all the details regarding everything like the address, the colors, the particular product, the size, the variant, whatever, add the address and ship it from Temu directly to the customer. So this way you can use Temu product to sell on Amazon without even having inventory. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.